Life is replete with valuable lessons, though we often fail to recognize their worth until time has passed. For me, the constant source of inspiration and irreplaceable wisdom has always been my grandfather. The stories he told and the lessons he imparted have shaped not only my character, but also the journey of my life. In this essay, I wish to share with readers the life lessons from my grandfather, hoping they resonate with middle-aged and elderly individuals and inspire everyone to find ways to transform their own lives. One of the most significant lessons from my grandfather was the importance of love. He often said, happiness is not something that can be bought with money. It lies in the heart of sharing and love. I remember the evenings when he would sit by the fireplace, narrating stories about family, love, and compassion. He showed me that even in the toughest times, it is the love from family that lights the way forward. My grandfather always made time for those around him. He was not only a storyteller, but also a listener. He frequently reminded me to cherish time with loved ones, as they are the ones who stand by us in the most important moments of our lives. Another vital lesson he taught me was to value time. Time is something we can never get back. My grandfather taught me that every precious moment can become a cherished memory if we learn to enjoy it. He would often take me on walks around our small family garden, pointing out the beauty of nature and teaching me to slow down and savor each moment. Life is not just about existing, but about experiencing, he would say. He also taught me that in our busy lives, it is crucial not to let precious moments with loved ones slip away. A family meal or a short getaway can bring joy and strengthen bonds more than any material gift. Patience was another key lesson from my grandfather. He often said, good things do not come instantly. They need time to grow and develop. Having faced many challenges in life, he understood that success does not come easily. From him, I learned the virtue of patience, which is sometimes overlooked in modern society. He advised me to pause, think, and find solutions when facing difficulties. Rather than rushing towards success, he encouraged investing time in building a solid foundation for the future. For him, every step forward, no matter how small, was a mark of effort. Another lesson was the importance of staying steadfast amidst challenges. Throughout his life, my grandfather faced numerous trials and adversities. Despite the difficulties, he maintained a positive attitude and unwavering determination. He once said, when life gives you a hard lesson, remember that you can always stand up and keep fighting. This lesson was more than just a simple saying, it was a philosophy of life that I learned from him. In times of hardship, I understand that I must find inner strength to overcome challenges. His enduring resilience has inspired me to navigate through tough times. Lastly, my grandfather consistently reminded me of the importance of gratitude. He often said, when you are grateful for what you have, you will see life becoming more beautiful. Simple yet warm meals, conversations by the fireplace, and shared walks were precious moments to be cherished. He taught me that instead of constantly seeking grand things, we should appreciate the small, everyday blessings. Gratitude not only brings peace but also fosters strong connections with others. In conclusion, the life lessons from my grandfather are not merely good advice but core principles that I apply daily. Love, patience, steadfastness, and gratitude are fundamental values he imparted to me. Through this essay, I hope to convey to readers, especially those who are middle-aged or elderly, that we can all transform our lives by living more positively, loving deeply, and cherishing each precious moment. Life becomes more wonderful when we live with the love and open heart that my grandfather taught us. Let his lessons live on in our hearts, and together let us make life more meaningful each day.